Guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about how to make money online daily on YouTube. Today I found a new website where you can make money just by unlocking your mobile phone screen. Have you heard about the lock screen on mobile? So if you have heard about that, then you know you can get paid just for unlocking your and swiping the unlock screen on your phone using this app, which I'm going to talk about. But before that happens, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online daily on YouTube. So let's dive into it. So the website in question is called getslidejoy.com and they have an Android app. Okay, it is only available for Android, not iOS. So anyone from anywhere can download this software and start earning today. So how this works is that when you the lock screen reward system works in a different way. So every time you check on your phone, you will get a card with a news story. What you have to do is you have to read the news, and when you try to unlock it, you just have to read the news and or promotion on some kind of promotion on your lock screen, and when you slide it to the left to get more info about the card, or you can slide up to see another card, or slide right to go to your home screen. That's simple how it works. That means if you slide up, it will show you more details. So and by doing that, you will be able to see more ads, and by showing more ads, you will be able to earn points, okay, and rewards. So you can go here, and as you can see, this SlideJoy lock screen cash rewards, it has a really good ratings on Google Play, and almost 99,000 people have tried it out, and they have got a really good result. Update, it's working again. We have Visa prepaid card option. So even though I'm not happy, there were problems, they will get fixed. That means the developers are actively working on this app. So that's incredible. I know why people are hating this app. Okay, anyway. So it was great until about 2 weeks when the people stopped being able to redeem points. I got about $20 worth of points. Reviews are grading. Okay, that's incredible. And temporary glitch, but again, it's 2 weeks, so it's BS. Also, this is after they don't support redeeming the points directly to PayPal, which they said it's temporary. So it is there was some kind of problem going on. I think it will get solved because it has already got four stars. So I think it's good. And so if I go here and okay, this section with all reviews, if I take a look at the reviews, the good ones, I'll say I've had this app over a year and had no problems. It takes a while to earn enough credits to cash out, but at least I'm being paid for something I already do. That means they're getting paid. Okay, so you can either that this is the proof, this review is a proof that you are getting paid. So that's incredible. And the $5, you can, this is not like you can make a lot of money from this, but you can make a site like $10 or $15 like that. So let's get back to here and see, learn quickly about the latest news and stories. You'll be able to see the latest news and stories for which you will get paid. Okay, you will earn money just by looking at the stories, like reading the articles and stuff like that. And they also might offer you some points as a reward or something. So this is incredible, and you can either you can keep it or you can cash it out like via PayPal, and they allow PayPal accounts. Like they actually enable you to cash out via PayPal, and the PayPal is the most convenient way to get paid after all. So I always look for whether it has a PayPal cash out system or not, and that's really important for me and my viewers, right? So that's incredible. What you have to do is you have to just download it, install it, and then you have to register a new account with them and then start earning. Simple as that. It's so simple that I really can't imagine why you are not using this app even now. And you can make $5 or $10 as extra cash for doing nothing, right? Almost nothing, just by reading the articles. You must be kidding me, right? So this is simple, and I think you should check it out and see if it works for you. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online every single day. And also, as a disclaimer, there's no guarantee that you will make money by following this tutorial, and really there is no guarantee, and it really depends upon how much effort you put into it. And in this case, there is no effort goes into it. You just have to install an app, and that's what you have to do basically. So it takes time. Okay, this is the only problem here, that it takes time and patience. You have to be patient enough to earn the money. Okay, and it's easy. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video with another how to make money video.